Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to connect your AirPod Pro. So we have our AirPods here. They are brand new gift to someone here. So we have them original from US. And so what you have here, I'm going to unlock my iPhone here. And then what I will do, let me focus a little bit here. You get your AirPods, make sure the Bluetooth is connected there. Then when you reach here, you will long press on your Bluetooth. Then you go to Bluetooth settings. Then after, you can just open the AirPod box. As you can see here. So this is what we get. It is showing it has connected, but previously I connected it. So what I want to do right now, it's very easy. Let's try to connect and disconnect it again. Say close. So we open. I want this to pop up. Let me see here. Okay. So we're going to connect. As you can see, it's a very quick one. Then after, I can get one AirPod out. Then, so this is what we're having. Then, okay, the quality. So we have the casing on the 100% battery. Then you have the percentage on the right and the left one. Then I'm going to click continue. Then I put one AirPod in my ear. Then after, so what we have here behind, it's very, you have a setting that I was not having when I connect my other pods. So this setting, there is a lot of things here. As you can see everything. You can also track your AirPod in case you lost it. You can also rename it from here. You can also do some other controls, noise cancellation, very many things. Then after, you're good to go. I'm going to get the AirPod back to the casing from my ear. AirPod Pro. Okay.